This is you and your marriage.
What?
So maybe certain things was bothering you in your marriage, and maybe now you're just not letting it affect you no more. Maybe you're just like, you know what, you want to...
Some damn... The fuck is this shit? What the hell was that shit? Somebody on live.
Just because you talking...
Hold on.
Does not mean I gotta listen.
What the fuck she talking about? Another motherfucker live. What the fuck is this bullshit? He live doing some bullshit. I'm really trying to learn this TikTok shit, but what the fuck? Hold on, she cooking some shit.
So you guys, I have my I put some barbecue
She
sauce
live.
in the pot.
Some of this shit is just ridiculous. Like, what the fuck y'all do here on TikTok? Like, this is what we do. This is what we using our live and stuff for. Like, she live?
Y'all be looking at me, that's me.
I don't know who the chick is. So don't crucify me. I'm just saying. This is my, like, baby. I must be on a live thing or whatever. I'm still trying to learn this TikTok stuff. I'm not trying to be on nobody live. I'm just trying to follow the instructions the lady on the damn YouTube video gave. I don't know if it's my comprehension or is it the damn gummies I took. What's going on? I think I'm a little too relaxed. Hey! 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 Ha! I'm supposed to be trying to learn TikTok and I'm up here. What? I'm trying to learn TikTok. Oh, I like him. I'm going to give him a heart. Only because I like his videos. I don't want to hear the other part because I hate when they scan them damn kids. Like somebody to jump on your ass. Ah! All that, like, baby. Ain't nobody got time for all that shit. You did that shit on that baby and not on me, boo-boo. All that goddamn hollering. Let's go back to it. Hold on. Like, po, baby. I can't listen to it. I can't listen to it. I can't listen to it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Hey! Baby. Like, baby, what the fuck wrong with you? You need a fucking gummy? That what the fuck you need? My gummy done kicked in. So I'm just trying to figure out this TikTok thing from the experts over there on YouTube world. So if you are new to TikTok or, you know what I'm saying, just drop me a comment. Let me know how you was able to figure this thing out. Hold up. Yeah, leave me a comment below. Tell me how the hell y'all use this TikTok. Oh, snap. Baby, let me get my ass on TikTok. I'll holler at y'all. Let me know. Ooh. Wish it was. Hey. Love me. Hold me. Let me get off this fucking TikTok. Let me get off this fucking TikTok. Hold up. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. This fucking gummy. Oh my God. All right, y'all, for real. Like, leave me a comment below. Let me know exactly how you was able to get around TikTok, how you was able to grow your followings, how were you able to produce good content. Like, leave your girl a comment below so I can know. That way I can be on my TikTok game like y'all. You know what I'm talking about? All right, y'all. What? Are we live? Bye, y'all.